My name is Shanon Theilke, and I am the Director of Operations, Global Operations here at Odyssey Relocation. We oversee relocating employees for various companies from one location to another, both domestically and internationally. My experience with working with Tkxel has been really great. They have taken the time to understand and try to get into and dive into the complexities that involve relocating employees, especially when it comes to selling homes and all of the different steps that we are required to do. It's very difficult, and I think they did a phenomenal job in understanding that information and creating a front-end view or example of what our potential new system can be.